Hello children, today we shall learn to add 4-digit numbers by carryover without arranging them in vertical columns. That is, finding out the sum of any 2 or 3 numbers in its place itself. How it's possible? Yes, it's possible when you are mentally attentive while adding the numbers horizontally by carryover. Let's go to solve few problems. Here is a farmer Lal Mohan. His land yielded 4,936 onions till last month and yielded 477 onions in this month. How many onions he has gathered in the godown in all? To find out that, we must add 4,936 onions to 477 onions. Let's do it horizontally. Here I have arranged the numbers in a horizontal way. Remember the place of each digit of the two numbers. Now let's do it with better understanding. I have written the place of each digit like this. Write and keep the place of sum what we are going to get. You all know that we must start addition from units in the right hand side. I have given in green shade. Now what is the sum of 6 units and 7 units? It gives you 13 units. Right. 13 is a 2-digit number. It cannot stay in units place. We have to split it up. 13 units has 3 units and 1/10. 3 units will go to units place and 1/10 will go to 10's house as a guest. Children, remember, you cannot forget the guests who have come to your house. Now, imagine you are going to buy samosas and there is a guest in your house. Will you forget to give samosas to them? No. You will count the number of guests who have come and buy samosas accordingly. Here, don't forget to add the number which we have carried over. Many children forget to add the number which we have carried to the next place. So here we must remember to add 1 also. 1/10, 3/10 and 7/10 together. It gives you 11/10. Now in this 11, it's a 2-digit number. We have 1/10 and 100 in this. And 100 will go to hundreds place as a guest and 1/10 will go to the sum. Now we shall add hundreds here. We have 100 as a guest. Don't forget 100, 900 and 400. What is the sum? 1 and 9 is 10. 10 and 4, 1400. 1400 has 400 and 1000 when we split it up. So 1000 will go to thousands place as a guest and 4 will take hundreds place in the sum. Like this. Now is the time to add thousands. What numbers are there in thousands here? 1000 and 4000. And on the other side, we do not have any thousands here. So, what is 1 and 4000? 1 and 4 is 5. So, the answer is 5413. Now, in all, Lal Mohan has collected 5,413 onions in the godown. Hope you have understood this sum. Let us solve one more problem and understand how to add the numbers in a horizontal arrangement. Imagine Salim has manufactured 7,263 white chalks and 3,450 color chalks in his factory. What is the total number of chalks Salim has manufactured in all? Come on, let us add these numbers horizontally. We shall add the numbers horizontally by visualizing the place of each digit. Let's do it putting them in colorful boxes now. Here I have arranged 7,263 and 3,450 like this. For finding out the sum, also you put units, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now let us start adding units first, which I have given in green shade. 3 units and 0 units give you 3 units, which will take the place of units. And there is nothing to go to tens house as a guest. Now let's add tens now. We have 6 tens and 5 tens. Can you see? Now what is the sum of 6 and 5 tens? 6 and 5 is 11 tens. Again 11 tens is a 2-digit number. We should split it up as 110 and 100. Here also 100 will go to hundreds house as a guest and 110 will go to its tens house. Can you see? Now it's the time. Don't forget to add 100 in hundreds house. We have 100, 200s and 400s here. What is the sum? 1 and 2 is 3, 3 and 4, 700. Yes, and we don't have anything in thousands place. So 700 will take its hundreds house. Yes. We shall add thousands now. We have 7,000 and 3,000. The sum of 7,000 and 3,000 is 10,000. Again 10,000. 10 is a 2-digit number. It cannot stay in thousands house. We have to split it up. We have learned to regroup the numbers. Here 10,000 has 0,000 and 10,000. 0,000 will go to thousands place and 10,000 has to go to 10,000's house. But we have not written there. So let us put it in the answer. One more place, 10,000. That is 10,000. So Salim has manufactured 10,713 chalks in all. Hope children you have understood how to add 3 or 4-digit numbers in horizontal arrangement by remembering the place of each digit and also remembering the carryover.